stop the madness. So the word on the street is Bath and Body Works is out there just doing things, okay? They are out there just doing things. You guys, I popped in. Hello? You know over here I love Baccarat Rouge 540, okay? Let's make it clear. The Straight to Perfume as well as the original. And when I went into Bath and Body Works, because I heard all the girls and all the guys talking about it, they said Cien Rouge was giving Baccarat Rouge a run for its money. So of course I had to mosey over there and form my own opinion. I'm here to spill the tea and let you know if it's true. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hello, besties. You guys, let's spray it. I've already done my wear test with it. I'm gonna say this. It has reminiscence to it. The notes inside of the body spray are black currant buds, sweet saffron, and amber musk. It does have reminiscence to it. It does not smell nearly as rich, okay? Or as, what would you say, in your face. It doesn't have as much as a presence or a signature scent worthy or a command the room, you know, type of energy as BR 540. I mean, let's be so for real, okay? But it is good. I will still say and stick beside this. Covered in Roses and Delina, these two smell more accurate in my opinion. If I were going to say something smells close to similar, same family, same vibe, same everything, in a sense, you know, with this still being a body spray, I would say these two are closer. Now, I wanted to take it a step further because you know I couldn't stop at just that. The girls were telling me that they also had the body cream in for Covered in Roses. This is supposed to be, or would be in the same realm, I'm thinking, as the body cream for Delina. So of course I took them off, did a side by side. Let's do it here with you here. Put this on, and they also have a body wash for it as well. And I believe some perfume sprays, if I'm not making that up. You guys, I could be making all that up, so check the description box for accuracy. Now, when it comes to Perfumes Damali Delina body cream, it smells identical to the fragrance in my opinion. If you cannot get the fragrance, definitely go with the body cream. It's gonna be just sufficient. Sometimes I can wear the body cream and don't even need to wear the fragrance. So this is accurate. When it came to the cream over here, it smells good. It's not as spot on as like giving Delina vibes as, of course, the Delina body cream, but it's close. So if you were looking for something, hold on, now done. I have to put the lotion on my leg because I'm not gonna let it go to waste. That's one thing we don't do over here, Dwellings. We don't waste fragrance. Okay, so anyways, you guys, if you wanted to get more longevity out of this, and this lasts, Covered in Roses is one of the body sprays that I would say from Bath and Body Works that really gives longevity. So if you wanted to mix it with this and make the longevity last even longer, or just have more hydration on top of it, or just put some hydration before you put on your Covered in Roses body spray, this would be a great way to get it to last. So far, in my opinion, I've tried them all. I still feel that Covered in Roses and Delina are my favorites. They are my favorites. I did want to try out Cien Rouge. I believe that's what it's called. How clever is that? Cien Rouge and 540, just to see the comparison, to see if I would recommend it. For real, that's how I would be. I mean, I do think they have some similarities. They both have a saffron note in it. And amber, but it's okay. I would not really say this and this are identical, or they're not even as close as Covered in Roses and Delina. But you know, if it was a long distance cousin, maybe on your father's, grandfather's, old mother's side, I would say okay, yes. But that's my opinion. I love this for Bath and Body Works. They are just really putting like some, what would you say? What is the word that I'm trying to say? I would say shout out to Bath and Body Works for just, you know, keeping themselves on the map, for putting themselves back on the map. I hadn't been in Bath and Body Works for body sprays or body care or body creams or anything like that in a very long time. I typically get the ones that I want maybe once a year, and then that's it. But with this going on and all the like rage and hype around it, I'm going in Bath and Body Works all the time to see what they have. I hear they have a new collection called the Platinum Collection. When I was in there, I popped in and I did smell that briefly. It smells good. It had a little bit of sheen, a little sparkle or what have you. So that smelled really good. I didn't smell like something that I had to have in my collection, so I didn't pick it up, but I did want to share my thoughts and opinion on the Cien Rouge with you guys compared to BR 540. And like I said, a long distance, back, aunt, cousin, nephew's sister's, brother's, father's side. If that's the side it's on, okay, we'll give you that. That's my thoughts and opinion. And I will say this, when it comes to the Covered in Roses body cream, this is moisturizing. This is moisturizing. I will say that it got on my skin, it penetrated into it. It's got vitamin E, aloe, shea butter, hyaluronic acid. I will say the cream is really nice. It's done very well. It's really rich, it's moisturizing, it's creamy. It's not just sitting on top of the skin. I layered myself. They also have, oh, did I share with you guys? I picked up the body wash. I picked up the body wash. This is a body wash for Cien Rouge, and I picked this up and it's really good. It lathers well. I love Bath and Body Works body washes to begin with, so that was a no-brainer. But I just wanted to see how it smelled scent-wise. It's okay, you know what I mean? It's not bad. It's not like, oh my gosh, you gotta have it. I'm never gonna build something up to what it's not if it's not for me. I'm just sharing with you my thoughts and my opinion. But this Covered in Roses, if you wanted to get something to go with this, I would say go back and get the body cream. This body cream is where it's at, and it will not break the bank. It's retailing for $18.95. I will say this, if you wanted to go into Bath and Body Works, I don't know when the sales are gonna happen compared to when you're gonna see this video, but right now, as of this date, which is February 2nd. Is today February 2nd or February 1st? Oh no, today is February 1st because today was first Sunday. Hello, somebody. February 1st, they are doing buy 3, get 1 free. So it's buy 3, get 1 free. They retail for $18.95. I have seen the body sprays as low as $5.95. So I will tell you to keep your eye on it. It's a great way to add to your collection. I've talked to several of you and you're like, I'm preserving my Delina and I will put on the body cream and I'll put on the body spray and save the fragrance. So it is, you know, whether you're adding it to your collection or whether you're making it the main staple in your collection, I do see these body sprays, body creams, shower gels having a place, and I love them. I also wanted to make sure that I was able to run it back and share it with you that this is what Bath and Body Works is doing, and I'm gonna give them a round of applause. Shout out to you for making fragrances that are really steep, affordable, you know, and giving everyone a playground to play in. If you caught that, hit the like button. If you didn't, it's okay. Just smash the button. Over here we just smash buttons. That's it, you guys. I was doing videos and I forgot that I picked these up, and I wanted to run over and share these with you and let you know my thoughts and opinion on them. I think they're really good. I don't think that this is as close as a match as this, but I feel that, you know, they can be in the same family. But if I had to recommend 10 out of 10, I'm still going Covered in Roses. And now that they have the body wash, the body cream, just get the whole set and do yourself a favor. If you love Delina, you guys, I'm biased. Of course, I'm gonna recommend the one that's most reminiscent to Delina because I absolutely love Delina. So definitely I would recommend that. This right here is really good. I absolutely love it. They're doing something with Disney and that'll be coming out soon, and that should be exciting for those of you that love Disney. That is it. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. I am on my 3rd cup of coffee today. Hello, somebody. I make my coffee and it makes me happy. I absolutely love it. And you notice I made it with almond milk. I didn't even do a lot of creamer. You guys, that's it. I've been filming all day and I am like all over the place right now. But I wanted to jump on and let you know about that. I filmed it for my TikTok and for Instagram, but really for TikTok. But I was thinking like, maybe I should let everybody on YouTube know as well. So here we are, dueling. So yes, okay, that's it. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.